Hi guys, this is a super quick video because I'm just about to do this on my own YouTube channel. It is how to add multiple thumbnails in to use the YouTube's inbuilt thumbnail testing. So I've already just uploaded this video and I created 3 thumbnails inside my Canva account. So what you do is you come down to the upload file option and you can see that there's upload file, use auto-generated or test and compare. So I'm going to do a test and compare. So what YouTube does is it actually takes up to 3 thumbnails. So I'll show you this. I'll upload these now. So I've just done these here. So I'm going to add this one in here. And I'm going to add this one in here. And I'm going to add this one in here. So I've created 3 different thumbnails with different writing and different images on there. And all I need to do is click the done button. So here, you can just see there's a little question mark. I'll just read through this. So basically you can upload up to 3 thumbnails and then YouTube will test these 3 thumbnails out over the course of 2 weeks. So what happens is that it will put your video out and swap over the thumbnails as it does it when it puts it out to everybody, and then it will measure the click-through rate on each thumbnail, and at the end of the 2 weeks you will get a little report that shows you the percentage of how many people click the thumbnail. And what YouTube will do is it will put at the end of the 2 weeks the thumbnail that had the most click-through as the thumbnail that everybody sees. So it's a great way of actually utilizing the inbuilt thumbnail option that YouTube has. So just click done. And as you can see, you've got these 3 little thumbnails sitting there. So it's all ready to roll. So all you have to do then is obviously do the rest of your optimization. And I'm actually going to schedule this out to go out this afternoon. So I'm just going to quickly schedule it. And then you can see what it looks like in the thing. So I'm going to get this to go out about 2 p.m. And then click done. And then you just save it. And there you can see that we've got this test running and it says there test. So once the video has actually gone live, it will test these thumbnails out for you. My name's Anita Wong. Thanks for watching this super quick video on how to use the inbuilt YouTube thumbnail A/B testing. If you have any questions, drop them below this video. If you've liked it, give me the thumbs up. Do smash my subscribe button because I would love for you to follow me. And if you do follow me, then I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.